Hi, I'm Tootie Wilson of Tootylicious. Today I'm going to teach you to make tropical chicken pizza. Let's get started. I'm going to show you how to make a tropical chicken pizza, and I'm going to use a barbecue sauce as the base, and this is my favorite brand, Tootylicious, the mango habanero flavor. Okay, so we're going to put our sauce on the bottom. And this pizza is like really good, but it's also good if you grill it on a grill. It's really good as well. So you don't necessarily have to bake it. You have a couple of options. And that's with all pizzas, but I just like this one better grilled with the pineapple. So I'm going to put some chicken here. Okay. I'm going to put some pineapple. I'm going to add some peppers. A little bit of onion, and I like the red onions because they're sweeter, but you can add whatever you have. It's always good. Okay, and then I'm going to put some cheese on it. Okay, and a little bit of Italian seasoning, just a little pinch. Sprinkle it on there just to give you a little more color while the cheese melts. So there you go. That's how you make tropical chicken pizza.